for you. I'm trying to have this little feature on my screen and I can actually see what I'm doing, so I'm not guessing all the time. Took the coil packs out of mine to get the automatic, that one running, because there was someone going to buy it. No, he's not going to buy it, so I'm going to cut the car up and scrap it and make money out of it. I tried. People always complain about how silly people cut up and scrap these cars, but I literally have like 5 or 6 posts online at the moment, and I'd like to think I sell everything pretty damn cheap considering. But you know, each to their own. So I'm going to start. I'm going to rip the coil packs back out of that, and then put them into the turbo IS and get that one running. So yeah, join me on that one. You should just need the coil packs and you'll be fine. We hope. Fingers crossed anyway. Right. Theoretically, I only need 10 mils to achieve what I'm trying to achieve. So, on it, already attached. Ooh, good. Where can I put you? Well, we can look at that. That'll probably work. I say this all the time. Best tool in the freaking world. I absolutely love it. Yeah, plug the holes. You need to plug the holes. The good thing to do, I find, is put towels inside rubber gloves. It's not going to stop water. That's not something it can really do. Condensation builds. Come on. But it will stop debris, etc. from getting down into the cylinders, or right down into the chamber where the spark plug is. So I need a pick, and I also need blue roll and rubber glove. Rubber glove, blue roll. Right, let's see if I can pick it back. I think I had a good spot. Good enough. Right. Now when you do this, try to make sure you get any debris away from the cylinders. You'd be surprised, a gust of wind, bam, leaf goes down. It's only a few more minutes out of your day, but if you miss it, it can interfere with your contact. And let's face it, if you're turbo car, etc., that's not the sort of thing you need. I have another car being dropped off, which you'll find out maybe in this video, probably in a different video. You know, it's a bad habit of mumbling my way through life. And the reason I put the tissue inside the glove, because the gloves aren't apt, there's not really enough surface. So when you screw the glove up and ram it in, it doesn't really keep it that sealed. I like to keep anything possible from going down there, even the smallest of debris. So why not flatten it out and hope that that helps keep debris from going down. At the end of the day, the last thing we want is to take a spark plug out one day and then suddenly we've got shit going down inside the engine. That is all 6 cylinders. Now, I know for a fact some of these are not the greatest, but the other new set on the way. So, as you'll be able to tell, cracked. Crack. Good. Good. Cracked. And quite clearly cracked. These cracked due to heat. Once it gets so bad, you'll start getting misfires. You see how it seals itself in there better. That's essentially what we're aiming for. So now I'll get these in, and I need to get them fitted to the other car. Right, next step is coil packs back in the car. Pop, click. It's all filled up with debris. Very easy for the wind to get it. I'm back with parts. Can you imagine if you just watch me cross for a bit? Don't watch. Just a bit tight. The threads are going to need to be cleaned up on that one. But we are in and together. Allen keys are all smart work until you have to do them up. And you realise you forgot the Allen keys. We're doing this pretty cool anodized acids, which they're like M6s, I believe. And yeah, they're just straight off the bat look better. You can tell it's less fuss, and it's a 10 mil. I better work on it anyway. So let's fire this bad boy up. Right. Keys. No. Actually, I'll just take you with me on my little journey. And poof, little keys. I lied. I didn't take you on my journey. I paused it. Alright. Now, first things first, do the cut off. I need to tidy this wire up. I only just fitted this dash. Right.